इस वक्त आप देख रहे हैं मुआविन खुसूसी मिशाल मलिक का गज़ा के मुहासे से मुताल्लिक मुबाहसे से खिताब कर रही हैं।
Or the occupies were doing with the Kashmiris, and he showed me those old historical pictures of Allama Iqbal and the Kashmir connection and the love and the bond pre-partition that they shared, and the calling for the Masjid Al Aqsa for any Muslim and that spiritual connection that we share. So when I was there, I was like, what do you actually need? You know, just tell me honestly. He's like, unlike the Kashmiris, we don't need that much of aid. We are a rich country and we do have a lot of stuff with us, but we were never prepared for this kind of thing to happen. This is something totally unexpected. But what we need right now is a change in the global opinion, because we are going all out. Our people are ready to give the ultimate sacrifices, our entire nation, but we need a change in global opinion. If Pakistan is saying it, the Arab world is saying, condemnations are happening, but practical steps are not taking place. So the only way is when the global public unites and stands against this. What's happening in Middle East, what's happening in South Asia, Kashmir, Palestine, these are issues which are not going to die down now. This is my own, I'm not talking about the government. I hope every government prays and international stakeholders, human rights organizations play a valid role and, you know, justify their mandate of human rights, that they try to move towards ceasefire, towards establishing an economic humanitarian corridor, which is still not there. People are trapped inside, nobody can go there, nobody can get out, and some of the victims are there in Egypt, and sometimes the president of Palestine, he goes to Jordan to meet international dignitaries or meetings, but he's gone back after this hospital attack. And as he mentioned, Mr. Hamid made a very important point, and I'm already, because for me it's not about representing a government. I'm here mainly for the most oppressed people in the world, where the worst form of human rights violations are happening are the people of Kashmir, and now what's happening in Palestine. So this is my main focus. So I was discussing with the Palestinian ambassador also that why not do something unique. One thing is that the governments are saying it, the Senate is saying, the parliaments are saying it, the UN is condemning it, human rights organizations. Why not just focus only on the geopolitics, geoeconomics? Let's, you know, widen our thinking. How he said that this was an attack, the hospital attack was an attack on giving a very strong message to the Christians around the world who are sympathetic or who are part of the Palestinian freedom movement.
मिशाल मलिक इस वक्त गज़ा के मुहासे से मुताल्लिक मुबाहसे से खिताब कर रही हैं। इस वक्त इस्लामाबाद में मुआविन खुसूसी मिशाल मलिक फ़लस्तीन में जो गज़ा का मुहासरा इसराइल की जानिब से किया गया है उससे मुताल्लिक प्रोग्राम में इस वक्त खिताब कर रही हैं।